Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. Just want to give you an update with our joyride today. We are here at Conifer Gardens Medical Center, and now we're heading to Papakura. So today is 23rd of July 2020.
23rd, 24th.
23rd. And today is Friday. Okay, just please stay with us, and we're heading to Papakura.
24th.
24th. Sorry, today is 24th.
24th of July.
24th of July 2020, and the time now is 2 p.m. Please stay with us, and we're just backing. Alright. Seems as there's a traffic along the Great South Road, since there's a construction on ramp and off ramp Takanini motorway. The driver behind us gave us way.
Takanini parking.
So we're now on the Great South Road, Takanini. Just to inform my viewers and my subscribers, yeah, a long time ago we live here in Takanini. So when we arrived from Philippines, this is the first place where we live. That was from 1996 to 2014. So we just moved Manukau just 2014. So imagine, so how many years that? Almost 18 years we live here in Takanini. So at the time, no much shopping stores here, or like shops, but now it's productive.
Before it was nothing, boring.
Yeah, yes. Like on the left hand side is McDonald's. That's not the location of McDonald's a long time ago. And this countdown supermarket that is under Food Town. this South Gate's nothing during that time. So theoretically, Takanini becomes a commercial area. No wonder properties are gone up. Yeah, there's another building being built on the right hand side. National Mini Trade. Oh, what's that?
T-Race.
T-Race. So we are now almost in the boundary between Takanini and Papakura. Yeah, it's against signboard there. Welcome to Papakura. So we're now in a Papakura. New building.
Oh, this one.
Left hand side.
New houses.
New apartments.
But the place is not. Ganda, beautiful. It's beautiful.
So we are now in Papakura, but so we're planning to buy Dominos. Actually, we're going to our friend, but we need to buy something that we can share. So we're thinking to buy Dominos Pizza.
Domino.
Dominos Pizza. So I just look for a nice parking to just turn around. Alright, we're gonna park here so we can go out easily. Alright, we stop over here and see you next time.